I want to explain a style panel. It's very simple. If you have an object, for example, like this, and if you go to the and a layer to the FX, and you create lots of effects to on it. For example, make it a 3D, make it radius more higher, give a overall color to that. For example, overall different color to that. Add, for example, outer shadow to that, something like this. Offset it, give after, and that's it. You want to save this effects in a some place and then add it to another object that you want. It's very simple. Going to your style, select object. These are presets of the default style that you can create. But from here, you can add the style category, my simple style, my style, and this is my category. And simply come here, click on these 3 lines. You can rename your category, duplicate it, link to other library, remove if you want. If you want to sort it, they added, or you can export your style, then import it here, show as a list. This is add style from selection, and this is your style. And you can delete it. And if you remove the defaults, and for example, create a new shape here, and you want to add all of your styles that you created before here, just one click and add. Or if you want, you can come to the default style and add a different style to your object. That's very easy. If you have lots of style, something like this, let's that this heart as a different style here. You can delete or rename it. It's very simple. These are default style. If you go to the My Style, you can click on it, and boom, it has lots of effects to that, and you can change it at any time that you want. But don't forget, you can also store in your style all fill color. For example, I give a different fill color here with a different stroke. It also store the stroke widths. For example, I like it to the dash, and then come here and add style from selection, and it store also stroke, and you can add to other object. And that's it.